Hey guys, this is Robert Lukat Detail again, and this is called Lukat Fix It. This is not a car wax. Check out this car hood here. See how shiny it is right here, and it's not shiny here? Look at this area over here, okay? Look at this one over here. We got a nice shiny spot here. Look at the rest. Here's what I want to point out, okay? Nowadays, they don't paint cars with single stage paint jobs anymore. Those are the old kinds of paint jobs that would last a long time, 40, 50, 60, 70 years. Now they use what's called clear coats. There's a variety of them. This is just water. I just put water on this towel. If the top of your car, if the hood, the roof, the trunk, the top of your cab of your truck looks good when it's wet, look what happens here. See how nice that looks when it's wet? If it does that, it means that the clear coat is still intact, okay? But this clear coat right here, it's hazy, it's oxidizing. Go over by the edge and see if you can catch the spider webs. Can you catch them? The spider webbing is striations, micro cracks that form at the top and stuff. Now here's the thing, now come over here. You can see the striations here too. Look at this. I'm gonna use the wet towel right here. Look how nice that looks when it's wet and then it dries right up, okay? If this is happening, do not wax over this. There's a lot of really good waxes that will actually produce a shine over that, but it's a bad thing to do because these are contaminants embedded in the clear and it's also eroding the paint. So this paint job, if you don't clean it, will gravitate to that. Show them that one over there. You guys see where it's peeling? Get up close so they can see the peeling, okay? And now pull back so they can see the shiny spot and the hazy spots. If you look at where the clear coat is still intact, okay, it's hazy, just like this one over here. Now come, just like it is right here. So this, if you don't clean this, will peel, it will crumble, it will get crusty, it will blister, it'll peel away. But if you clean it, bring it back to this now, you don't have, you'll get another 15 years out of it. This is not like a wax that will mask things, okay? So, hey, how long are we in, by the way?
2 minutes and 7 seconds.
Okay, I'm sorry guys, I know it was a long intro and stuff, but it's important to get that across, that Lukat Fix It, do a close-up, is not a wax. Okay, if you wanna save your paint job, if you don't want to pay the paint guy thousands of dollars for your paint job, you want to catch the paint when it's like this. I'm gonna put some on the towel right here. This is a terry cloth towel folded up into a tight little square. I'm gonna put it on right here where it's oxidized, and I'm not gonna do the circles. Do not do the circles. It's not a wax, it's a cleaner. Instead, I'm gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna clean the same spot until it clears up. This is a chemical that penetrates the striations, breaks up that crusty layer, and removes the buildup that's embedded in the clear coat. But it doesn't remove the good remaining color and shine. Okay, so there's a lot of color, there's a lot of shine in this paint job. The thing is, you gotta clean it first, okay? And if you clean it, you remove the buildup. You're not taking off the clear coat, you're removing the oxidation. This is the original state of the paint job. Get up close so they can see the sparkles in this thing. This thing is beautiful. You get it? Okay, but listen to this. Remember I said this is not a wax, okay? I said it's not a wax. Listen, I didn't wax it. Listen to this. It's squeaky clean. So that means that this is not gonna wash off. I didn't put a shine over it to mask it. That's gonna wash off. Instead, I cleaned it 100%. So this is 100% squeaky clean. Now, it's a two-step process. The first is you want to clean it. You want to bring it back to its original state, okay? Or the remaining color and shine. That's why we call it the remaining color and shine, okay? Now, this is called the Lukat Easy Sealer Wax. This is for sealing the paint and protecting. It's really simple product, okay? Now, make sure you use a separate towel because the cleaner will break down the wax. But now you can use this afterwards. This is really good stuff. Very important, guys. Don't think about shine. Think about cleaning the paint, bringing it back. Because once you do that and you bring it back, then you can start thinking about shine. Then you can buy those fancy, awesome waxes that are out there. Keep it simple. If you just have bath towels, terry cloth towels, that's all you need. If you want to use microfiber towels for the removal, yes. Don't use it for the application. You're not going to. It's better that you use a terry cloth towel. Now, it's best that you let this dry at least 10 minutes, but for the sake of time, you know, it's carnauba, so it's kind of dry already. Look how beautiful that looks now. Do a close-up so they can see that. Okay. So I didn't I did not make it shiny, guys. Make sure they get this contrast over here. Okay, I cleaned this off. This, listen to this, you can hear it. Okay, listen to this. You can't hear nothing over here. That's 100% clean and sealed and protected. This you can wax now. Now you can use carnauba paste waxes, liquid spray waxes. You can use the new ceramic stuff that's out there, and it's really gonna pop. It's gonna look beautiful. Guys, check us out at, let me see, lukatdetail.com. That's our website. Check out the offers that we got. Hey guys, if you guys want to email me, fine, but if you guys want to talk, just call. Our number's in the about section. You'll see it somewhere here on this video. Thank you very much, guys. Join us in our epic fight against ugly paint job pollution. Help us bring back all these ugly paint jobs back to a shiny state. Later, guys.